Good afternoon to all of you. I am Shubham Kumar, Education Officer at Astroport, India. So I hope you all are very good at your home. So you know that we all are fighting against a dangerous pandemic nowadays, and this is a very critical time for us, and we are showing very great effort to fight against it. So guys, just stay at home for some more time and be safe. So nowadays we have very ample amount of time, and we should not waste it. We should utilize this time to do something productive, to do something interesting. But the question is what to do. So we at Astroport have launched several fun-filled and knowledgeable activities for you. So you can take part in all these activities and utilize your time to do something interesting. So guys, nowadays I am going to give you a challenge, and I hope you will take part in this challenge and utilize your time to do something interesting. So guys, I think you all must have used the GPS in your mobile phone. So what do you think? What helps you in finding the direction through the GPS? Is there only network, or something else is also working simultaneously to find the exact information to us? So the exact answer is satellites. So satellite is a space machine continuously working for us in the space. So when we listen the word satellites, so how do we launch the satellites into the space? So we all know that we can launch the satellite with the help of space vehicles. So majorly there are two types of space vehicles. The first one is space shuttle, the second one is space rockets. So what is the difference between them? So space shuttle can be reused, so it's like a reusable airplane, but space rocket cannot be reused. So we can use the space shuttle and space rocket to launch the satellite into the space. So when we talk about space shuttle and space rockets, so it is very challenging and complex task to design and to launch them into the space. So but today we are going to make our own rocket with a very simplified technique. There is a technique in which we transform a flat sheet of paper into some useful sculpture. So this technique is called origami. It's a paper folding technique. In this technique, we will transform a flat square sheet of paper into a useful sculpture. So this is often related to the Japanese art, or we call it origami. So we are going to make our own rocket with the help of a paper. So paper is easily available at your home. So I am going to use certain specific steps to make the rocket. So you just need to follow those specific steps accordingly. So let's make the rocket with me. So guys, are you ready to make on rockets? So guys, take a flat square sheet of paper, and now I am going to use certain specific steps, and you just need to follow all those steps to make the rocket. So now let's start. So first of all, we make a fold like this. Okay, after that open it again and fold along this line. So because we are designing the rocket, so it requires a lot of precision. So carefully हम लोग सारे folds बनाएंगे. So after that, fold it again along one diagonal of the square. Now it is clear to you. Open it again and fold it again along the second diagonal of the square. So after this fold, it will look like this. After that, we will try to make a smaller square with the help of this. Now it will look like this. Open it and bend it from the inside. Same from the other side. So now it will look like this. So now we have to fold it like this. And now repeat the step with the second wing also. So it should be something look like this. After that, repeat the same step from the back side also. Bend it like this. With this wing also. Now it will look like this. Now we have to bend it like this, and same with this wing also. After that, repeat the same step from the backward side also. So this shape is very symmetrical, so you will not face any problem. So now it will look like this. After that, put this wing and bend it like this. Repeat the same step with this wing also. So it should be look like this. After that, repeat the same step from the back side also, and try to fold it like this. Clear? After that, repeat the same step with this also. So now it should be look like this. Try to bend it like this. So now we have made our rockets. So it should be look like this. So now you just need to follow all those steps which I have mentioned in the video. And now our rocket is prepared. So this is a challenge for you. So you can make the rocket, which is very complex. The rocket actually is very complex and difficult task to design and launch them into the space. But we can make the rocket with a very simple paper folding technique, which we call it origami. So just try to make it at your home. So guys, thank you for giving your time. So if you like the video, just share and subscribe. Thank you guys.